There are a lot of event WordPress themes in the market, and in this video I will show you my number one, the most favorite WordPress theme for conferences, which I'm using myself at the moment. I will share with you how you can set up this theme for your own event website, and also I will explain different elements this theme has and features. And I will show you the real examples where I implemented this theme in my own websites for my own in-person conferences. Hello, I'm Mr. Klex. I used to be a website developer, and in the recent years I got passion to organize events. And I have a very strong technical background, so I'm happy to share my knowledge with you and to show what I have discovered when I was looking for the WordPress theme for my events. In this video I will mention different themes and plugins, and all the links you will find below in the description of this video, so don't get lost. There is one place where you can find a lot of WordPress themes, and a lot of people are using this resource is Envato Market. Envato Market has a big collection of different plugins and add-ons for different platforms, and WordPress is one of them. So if you would look for event themes on this website, you could find a lot of different options. But it's very important to learn how to evaluate if the theme is good, if the theme is worth considering, because there are parameters which I look personally when I browse Envato Market, and I will record another video and I will link at the top here to teach you how you can evaluate WordPress themes on Envato Market. Of course, besides Envato Market, there are a lot of different individual WordPress theme creators who are offering their themes for event organizers as well. One of them is showthemes.com, and they have different WordPress themes which they are offering on the website. I will also record another video where I will go through different event themes offered online, and I will link this video here upstairs as well. And now I would like to present you my favorite WordPress theme which I'm using in my own conference websites, and it's called Eventerra. It can be found in Envato Market, and you will find the link below to this theme as well. If you would click on the live preview button, you could see different demos they are offering of their WordPress theme. So here I opened their demo, and it looks like this. It's all in boxes. This theme cannot go wide through the whole screen. It is designed to be inside the box. And what did I like in Eventerra? Well, first I like the overall look. It's eye-catching. I also liked how they layouted the speakers and how they presented the agenda for the events. The disadvantage of this theme is that they don't have the pricing table. So if you would like to display pricing on your page in some kind of nice columns, they don't have this opportunity in Eventerra built in, but later in this video I will show you how I solved this problem and how I created a nice looking pricing table. In this video I will not go step by step to explain how to install the theme. It's a different topic, but also there are some instructions on the inside the package provided by the creators of this theme. And once you are done with the initial installation, you will see the website like this. So in order to have a starting point, I strongly recommend to import demo data. Demo data import you will find in the appearance submenu demo content, and here you could import directly with the media files. There are 4 options which you can choose from for demo installation, and they're always talking about Tickets plugin. So what is that? If you would look at the sales page of Tickera, they are talking about a ticketing system compatible with Tickera plugin. I'm not familiar with this plugin, but you're welcome to use it. Tickera plugin probably helps you to sell tickets, scan the tickets, create the discount codes. I personally don't use Tickera because I sell my tickets on Eventbrite. So in my case, I didn't activate the Tickera plugin, but if you would use it, you would have to go to Appearance, Install Plugins menu and activate the Tickera plugin as well. Keep in mind that Tickera has its own pricing and it's a yearly subscription. So whenever you're ready to install demo content, you just need to choose what layout you want. All these 4 options you can find on the demo page, and look through them and see where do you want to start. I usually like one-page demo, and I don't need registration form. I will use this one-page demo with tickets plugin. As I said, I'm not using tickets plugin, but this is the option I'm choosing to import the demo data. Be patient when you will be installing demo data. It might take up to 1 minute, and then you will get a message saying data was successfully imported. And once the demo data is installed, you are ready now to create your own website for your event by simply replacing the texts and images on this page. If you see text something like this, don't worry, it's most likely that you didn't activate some plugin which you need. In my case, I would delete this element. Most likely this is the Tikera plugin which is connected to the theme. And now it's quite easy to edit the website because Eventerra is built with WP Bakery Page Builder. It's quite a popular page builder. In the past, I think it was called Visual Composer. And online you will find a lot of tutorials for this page builder and a lot of add-ons. In order to edit your page, you need to click Edit with WP Bakery Page Builder, and the editing page will look like this. In some cases, it takes quite a while to load this page because it's quite complex. What you see is what you get, page builder, and it depends on your internet connection, on the speed of your server, so be patient while the page is loading. And now the editing of this page is quite intuitive. Whenever you go with your mouse over the different elements, you can edit those elements and change the content, change the pictures. This is part of the WP Bakery Page Builder, and you will find a lot of tutorials online for that as well. Speaker information is entered in a different place, not through the WP Bakery Builder. Here in this builder, we only are able to select speaker category or what kind of speakers we want to display. But all the speakers are entered through the menu item called Speakers, and here we have a list of all the speakers which are already entered into the system. And for example, if we would like to change Matthew Thomas information, we could open his card. So we could change his description, his bio, and enter all other information they can provide for us, update the picture, and here we can choose to which speaker category we assign Matthew Thomas, because here on this page we can filter speakers by category. So for example, here we have filtered by category major. Of course, you can clean the category filter and display all the speakers, but let's say we keep major category in place, and because Thomas is not in this category, but if I will add it, now if I reload this page, this is the front page of our website, and if I reload it, Thomas will appear here. So it's a very useful feature if you would like to separate different types of speakers. For example, there are keynote speakers, or there are different topics presented in different rooms. So you could separate all these speakers in different categories and display with different section title for each of them. If you scroll down, you can see agenda. Agenda is quite a complex structure, and it should be edited through the WP Bakery Builder. You have to add agenda items, and probably the easiest would be if you would simply edit the existing demo data and change it to your needs. You could also display news like a blog style on the website. I'm not using that on my websites. Here you can display a very nice map of the location of your venue, and you can add sponsors. So there are a lot of nice features on this theme, and I like these buttons at the top where you can simply set up in such a way that people click buy a ticket button and it scrolls down to the section where the tickets can be sold. As I said earlier, this theme doesn't really have a pricing table where you can display your different ticket pricing options for attendees. And let me show you now the websites I have created with Eventerra for my own conferences, and I will also explain to you how I created the pricing table, which looks like this. I used Eventerra theme for several of my in-person business conferences which I organized. My branding is white and orange, and this is how I changed Eventerra to be closer to my branding. You can really change all the colors in Eventerra, and I'm sure you can find information how to do that in Eventerra's help pages and also through their support. This is one of the websites. This is another example where I used Eventerra, and here is one more example. All these events have finished, and I don't have pricing table here, but let me open a copy of the old landing page where I still have a pricing table as an example. And if we scroll down here, you can see the pricing table looks like this. This I have implemented with another WordPress plugin, and it's called Go Pricing. The link to this plugin you will find as well in the description of this video. And Go Pricing is a very nice plugin to create different kind of pricing tables. On their demo page you can see all the possibilities you can do, and probably you will have to spend some time to design or to set up your pricing table. But let me show you few other examples which I used on my conference websites. So this is a 5-column pricing table. I explain different kind of features and benefits they get by paying for different kind of tickets. Here is also different other options and different other possibilities you can do with Go Pricing plugin, which is available in Envato Market. So it was a short introduction to Eventerra WordPress theme for events and conferences. As I said, I'm using it myself. It is my favorite theme at the moment for my own events. Please let me know in the comments below if you are using this theme or if you're using any other themes, and I'm happy to review other WordPress themes for event organizers as well. So if you have any questions, technical questions about building a website for event organizers or any other kind of information you would like from me, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Klex Events YouTube channel. Click the notification bell as well, because here we are bringing information for virtual summit creators and in-person event organizers.